Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I am excited to bring to you something that will help us all get organized. Check it out, guys. This is a portable nail polish organizer or makeup organizer or craft items organizers, whatever you would like to get organized. This was sent to me by Human Friendly. They asked me if I'd be interested in doing a review on this item, and I figured yes, we could all get organized when it comes to nail polish collectors, right? And they were nice enough to also make a code available to me for all my followers. If you're interested in this item, you can save 10% by using my code NAQ57. This item is available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. So let's take a quick look at it. As you can see, very durable plastic, and the flap, so it opens. It has two compartments, front and back. They both open like doors, and I will show you, but this holds. Okay, let me go ahead and open it so you can see how it opens from the side. See that? So just like the door swings sideways, because here's your handle. I can get this without bumping my camera. Here's the handle right here. There's the handle, and so it opens. Okay, so this is great for those mobile nail techs. And yes, it holds up to 48 bottles. You have 3 compartments, 3 this way by 8 this way. Very nice sizable compartments. And it says, so you can't read this upside down, but secure double clasp lids, as I just already mentioned, resizable accessories compartments, and I will show you what that is. And this is designed by Beauty Professionals. The company, again, Human Friendly. So the resizable compartments, what it is, oh, and they included nice little gift, the foam toe separators. That's nice. The compartments that you resize, so they have these little the little separators that they just come out, and then there's different slots there where you can slide them, and that way you can customize the size that you want these 3 compartments. Okay, you can also put powders, dip powders. Yeah, I'm gonna grab a couple of those jars and try to fit them in there. So there's this side. Leave these out, and then the other side, same thing. Okay, but then the slots are over here. The resizable slots are by where you have the door. It's hinged. Same thing here. So isn't that great? It's awesome. I'm thinking this is going to be great for my gel polish collection, so I can take them out of the jewelry hangers that are in the closet. And I'm thinking this is a good way to keep your maybe stamping polish collection and keep them all together. So I'm going to go ahead and I have a few bottles of different shapes and sizes that I'm going to put in here and test this guy out so you guys can see. Okay guys, I am back. I went ahead and put a few bottles in there of different sizes and shapes so I can show you. And this out here, this was a card that was inside, but this is actually a sticker on the outside, and I believe I'll be removing that. But let me show you inside what I did. I didn't fill the whole thing up, but just to show you the variety of sizes of the bottles. Take a look, and I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to fit more than 48 bottles here. If you go see what I did here with these skinny bottles, this one from Wet n Wild, and then this one, the art polish bottle, and you can even put, here's another skinny Wet n Wild. They fit side by side together like that. And so then that's because I have, so this is an Azure full-size bottle. This is a 12 ml bottle. Okay, I don't know that I could fit in, but yeah, I could fit in, on some of these slots, depending on the shape of the bottles, I can fit more than one. Here's a Model 1's irregular square bottle with the square top. See how it fits there. This is a standard round. This is a 15 ml gel polish bottle right there. This is your OPI bottle. Finger paints. Finger paints have these tall handles. See, it fits nicely there. Everglaze. This bottle is kind of has a irregular shape. Butter London. Butter London, I thought I could fit 2 side by side like this. They fit, but they have a bit of a bulkiness this way, or if I put one on top of each other, it creates a bulk over the door, okay? But so I figure with Butter London it's better with one. Funky Fingers. How many of you have these weird wide bottles? Take a look. See, that fits nicely there. I mean, it's nice. And the reason I have them this way is because this, remember, the handle is on this. The handle is over here. I can't fit this whole thing on my camera. And then on the side, I went ahead and adjusted these couple of compartments here for the two different types of powders that I have. One from Easy Cosmetics and then Model Ones. So they fit there nicely. And so, yes, just keep in mind the powders, I will not put any gels in here in a pot that will go sideways, because remember, this will be standing. You don't want your gels to be lay on their sides or upside down. So this will just be like that. Let me show you from the other side. This is the back, okay? And there's nothing, I didn't put anything on this side, but if you open this side, then your bottles on the other side are still nice and safe. What do you think? Is this something you'll take advantage of? How would you use it? Makeup? Crafts? Guys, I wanted to include a clip here showing you how well and secure the bottles are, even from moving the container around and keeping it upright. So if you have it upright and have to open the door, make sure they've all been pushed to the back, and here is standing on its own, and those bottles do not go anywhere. They're nice and secure there, okay? So just wanted to show you that really quick. And I truly feel like this will be very safe for my bottles. I would like to thank Human Friendly for sending me this great organizer to play with and review, and giving me a 10% discount for my subscribers and followers. Guys, if you have questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.